just at the servo. Where we at?
Blanchetown.
We're at Blanchetown BP. Blanchetown. We're just doing a quick pit stop. We're going towards Bonney. It's going to be a river fishing.
Going for a little leaky lake.
A little lake, eh? Your fishing rod's here, though.
Corn, red, and see what they're biting on.
Yeah.
That's what I'm going to do. Throw a few different baits out, see what they're smashing.
I'm gonna cast that just here. It's been a while since been here. Last time I've been here, we caught over 100. It was similar on the bank. I'll show you a photo on the screen. But I've got a brand new rod. So 5 to 8 kilo. 6 foot 6, 1.83 meter rod. 20 pound mono braid, color change of braid. So we'll get this going. Get straight out there. Bait holder hooks.
I guess the sun makes anything spark away, but...
Alright, first cast in the new rod.
Nah, I need to fucking make a go out of it.
I need a heavier sinker. Got him? You get him, man.
Oh no, this isn't alright. Normally they're wrapped in line. You're right.
No, you're right. Is he on there? Yeah. That drag's on tight too, bro. Keep your line up, keep your line up. Yeah, it's a little one.
Watch out.
It's 20 pound line, it won't come off. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Yeah, that's it.
I knew that second hit was
Actually, it's not a bad size.
We've had little cunts tap and that's perfect.
Yeah, that's alright.
Yeah. Got dinner. Who said that, Andy? Of course.
Almost
Got
hooked me.
dinner.
Nah, that's what's on my head. There's a hook in there.
I ate it hard too.
Yeah,
Maybe that was messing with it the whole time.
Yeah.
I reckon that was messing with it the whole time and decided to bite.
Yeah.
Careful.
Yeah, that's one.
There we go. Let's chop him up.
Yeah, this is a bait.
Let's get yours back out with that on. Go easy on it. You had that right. That's it. Let it run. Let it go. Let it go. Let it run, go. That's the way. Beautiful. Let it go for a spin.
Is that on a whiting rig?
Wait.
Yeah.
There you go.
That's on a whiting rig too.
Yeah.
There you go. Yeah, boy.
Wait,
Yeah, boy.
all the study about all these rigs and
What's that one?
there's
That was on the
fucking
corn
whiting
too.
rig in them.
Leo, that's healthy. Look at the fins on. Bait.
Yeah.
No, this one's bait.
Alright, let's knock it.
Yeah, I
Your
figured.
light one's bait.
What did it take though? It took the
Took
corn.
took the corn.
Corn.
Took the corn.
The thing is half was heavy.
Yeah, hold up, below hook.
I reckon, like, you're right. They're just going to take it over.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Refresh stage.
Yeah, boy. Oh, I'm gonna put my out of his misery, eh?
What do you think? In the riverland. It's going to heat up. In winter.
Oh, it just snapped. Oh, he just snapped straight up.
Oh shit.
Oh no, he just pulled it. What just happened?
It's a little sucker. You're right, you're right. Leave it. The net was the net, maybe?
Right.
He's on a real fine line, but he might be alright. No, he's alright.
There we are.
Yeah, oh, that's the same size.
That same
Yeah,
size?
it hit that little rod though.
Yeah,
I
just
thought
smashed
was
it. Yeah, that's fine. I got my first one.
Yeah, you're on.
Got him. I just fished the GoPro head mount too because it just fucking fell off. Yeah, boy.
Gets your guard going, doesn't it?
Yeah, we were playing with what? Gorillas near.
Oh shit, that's yours. Here, go it. How's you looking? Can't see anything, bro.
I reckon it's dancing on your line, or you're getting hit. A little fine one. First one on my lot,
Oh, it's better.
Is that a mirror?
I'm on a mirror, bro.
Someone
That's a mirror. That's a mirror.
Grab the fucking net.
Wait, grab my net.
Mirror. Look at it. Yes. Grab the. Oh no! Fuck! Grab that yummy net. Fuck. You know over top.
Over here.
Hang on. Grab that net.
That's not a mirror.
Not a mirror. Alright, I'm not so stressed, honestly.
Bring it towards me. I'll grab it by hand. What's the net?
It's alright, it's not a mirror.
Oh, yeah, it's not that. Yeah, got him. Stonker.
You're fine, but fuck, I thought it was a mirror car for me.
It's a stonker. Oh, good one.
Oh, yeah, grab the fucking net.
Yeah, it's alright. He's not happy, isn't he?
That's actually smaller.
Got him.
Smaller than I thought, eh? Look bigger.
I thought he foul hooked him in the eye for a sec, that's probably why. But
Nah, that's another bit bigger. Nah, it's thicker. Look at the width on it.
yeah, it's pretty wide.
Bit of girth.
You smashed that one.
Being hungry.
You get hungry. Being a bit of fight.
Something's fucking him up there.
Yeah.
Lice or something. But yeah, not a bad little fish.
Off he goes.
Oh no, he's sitting right on the bank.
I'll get him out.
You get him. Get him?
I will. I've got this thing wrapped around my fucking feet.
Yeah, you got him. Yeah. Oh, go. Go.
Yep. Fuck, I got this wrapped around my foot.
Yeah. Is that another one out
Got
here?
him. He just went, nearly lost him twice.
That's what Leo did before. He pulled it in, he hooked it. He's like, oh fuck, I've got one hook. Like,
Yeah, I was like, oh fuck.
oh, he did. He fucking did.
Yeah, what I did is I took the bell off. So Berlin, I just checked to set the hook, and all of a sudden he's on. He's like, no. I was like, oh yeah.
Yeah, they do that. Like being cold, they just grab it, eat it.
I didn't know I was recording it when I did it. I actually turned it off halfway through, then turned it back on.
Just getting out of bed. Look at that fog. That's insane.
No one around yet, but he did it. Right, who wants their bit of toast and bacon bread?
Yeah. Boy.
You on?
Yeah, boy.
Need the net?
Yeah, before we get there.
Yeah, bring that in.
Oh yeah, he's fucking not bad.
You guys stand there.
Yeah, he's out. Oh yeah. Yeah, bring my other load in. He's coming. He's straight towards me. Yeah. He's coming. Ready? Got him? Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy.
That's better.
Yeah. Fuck yeah.
Back here so we don't slip in.
Oh, he's a stonker.
Look at
Size of his head.
big head on him. Beautiful.
Beautiful head on him. Yep. Hey, boy.
Chew drop him.
Oh, yeah. Look at that. What do you reckon, about 60?
Yeah, easy.
Boy.
We'll grab the tape in a minute.
Nice and healthy. Look at how Chinese bloody fins are.
Got a few little marks on him. He's got some ticks or something lighting him up, but nice big wide head.
Good boy.
Beautiful.
What's he at?
I'm about 64, but alright.
Just under
Just shy of 60.
58.
So 58.
58 with long fin. Beautiful.
Yeah. Wait.
What? Yeah, give me a sec. Yeah, got him. Yeah, he's on.
I'll grab this one here and yeah, I reckon that's the main.
Some of my left is alright.
That one is? Decent one, take a start.
That's only a little.
Colour on it, nice dark.
Silver cup.
Big mark.
Ah, yeah, figure that. Yeah, a little silver cup. You can tell with the black fins on top. Alright. Good go. Oh, I got him on the fucking small hook.
There you go.
They're actually quite clean looking fish.
Yeah, they're healthy, aren't they? Yeah, got the line.
Grab a mate.
Fuck yeah. Yeah, you can tell, look at the colours on the. See, it's all shiny blue. Silver cup. What was your line that went off then? Your bell just flying. Yeah, boy. Alright. Where's my basher?
Right there.
Yeah, of course I have it right there. Can't put you out of your misery, little man. Look how fat he was.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That was a fucking fight, man. I
Yeah,
put
you
one
were
much
fighting for ages.
that long, but
That
was fat.
big, broad.
Pretty fatty.
Cheers, man.
You got there in running.
Yeah, you always put to go in, really.
I thought it was you ringing the bells in your pocket. Yeah, just cut over this one. Has it? I cut over a couple more ones. Another one? Yeah, that one. Yeah.
Go on.
Pulled the fucking hook. Pulled my knot. What the fuck? Was that a small one?
What the fuck? Alright. We're packing up basically everything now. We're gonna travel to a spot in my local area. You know, where I work. Get these hooks going. Next to me. So bread's a little bit soggy, but do our best makes work. I can't sweat next to the fucking thing, I reckon. Yeah, it's not alright, eh? It's pretty good. Yeah, it's looking where your line is. Yeah. Has he? Oh yeah.
Wing, and there's a hook stuck.
Oh, I see it. No, fucking hell. Poor cunt.
Imagine catching one of them though.
Oh,
It'll be hell. He's heaps young though, look at that. Mind he's better than look at that.
yeah. Yeah.
Going up the fish. Yeah, that is stalking up, ain't
If he does come up close, I'll grab his fucking beak, man, and pull the hook out his fucking feathers. What's going on, man? Yeah, he's had a few drinks, hasn't he? Yeah, big boys. Yeah, I had to, they're huge.
Nah, just not looking at come to that. Oh yeah, that's I mean the shit just fucking. He's chill.
Yeah, he's calm.
Come up like this.
Yeah, we're close and calm, eh? Hey? Yeah?
But out here, drops off. So you have to start.
I see that.
Chips off, or comes to the sand here flat out. Drops off. Deep in there, so I know we're running the channel in there. There's a hole right there too.
There is? Oh yeah? Have a good crack there, right?
Both sides too.
Hey? Yeah.